hour's getting late. Time is starting to accelerate. Shadows stretch across a fractured sky. Let me wrap you in a warm blanket, sitting next to the fire, while the world outside becomes more schizophrenic every day. Don't cling to worthless idols, they will crumble in your hands. Truth was never born of empty demands. Every whisper feels like thunder in this room. Every heartbeat trembles with impending doom. We're a kite in a hurricane, spinning through the chaos and the pain, trying to rise while the storm drags us down, in a world that's turning upside down. Everyone's turning insane and fighting each other, brother against brother, in the pouring rain. And every day seems to be getting worse, and the darkest times are not over yet. Still a spark survives in the ruins of regret, and I won't surrender to despair just yet. In the mirror's blur, I see my Savior's face. My arms always open and willing to embrace. We're a kite in a hurricane, caught between the loss and what remains. Something wicked comes this way. The world won't heal, but we can change. Oh, I've seen the fire of the heavens burn low. Watch belief fracture beneath the snow. If redemption's real, it hides in pain, not in idols, not in vain. We're a kite in a hurricane, tethered to hope that still remains. Through the chaos, through the strain, we'll find our wings again. Oh, the hour's getting late, but I'm still awake, awake, awake.